Hi, this is Namratha, Assistant Professor in CourseName Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am explaining about MCA lab, .NET lab, that is 13 MCA 57 subject code part B. First program is this one. We have to connect the database with the Visual Basic. I have installed Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Open it. Then I have installed Microsoft SQL Server 2008. So in that I'm opening SQL Server Management Studio. Open it. When you open the SQL Server, it will ask for the database connection. So connect it. Here we need to create a database. I am creating a database as per the syllabus they have given. They have given student, so I am giving the database name as student. It is asking for admin. I will open it and run as administrator. Okay. Now here I will create a database, new database. Student, I am giving as a name as student as per the syllabus. Okay, click on OK. Then the student database has created. Now you have to create a table, new table. According to syllabus, they have given two tables, table course, this one, table course and table student. This two table we have to create. First I will create a table course, that is first column should be course, that is in int. Okay, I am giving it as int. Okay, allow this should be, and it should be a, I am keeping this course ID as a primary key. Then next course name as a string they have given, so I will give this one and varchar 50. Yes, allow it to allow for the null. Okay, so I will save this one as per the syllabus. Table course name. Click on OK. Next I will create another table, that is table student. This one, table student. Okay, here first column is USN in a string. Okay, giving string. Then data type var 50, allow it for null. Then student name, next column, it is also a string. Then address, next address, this is also a varchar character. Then next they have given course ID int. the year of admission. This is also integer. So I am saving this table name as table student. Save it as table student. Okay, this is over. Then we'll move on to the Windows Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Here I will create a new project. They have given develop suitable Windows application. So we have to give a Windows form. Okay, first first form should be entering a new course details. Then next form should be entering new student details. Then third form should be display details of students. It should be in a grid view. Okay, belongs to a particular course. Then again display details students who have taken admission in a particular. So I will create only in one form this to display student detail belongs to a particular course and for a particular year. In a one web form I will create this one different, this one different. So I will start. I have made this one. Okay, we have to do like this. Okay, first I will create a one web Windows Forms application. So I will name it as student. You can name as your choice. It is already listed. So new. Okay, I will leave it as it is. Windows Form application. I will leave it as it is. Okay. This form automatically it will generate. So first form should be entering a new course, right? So I will just decorate this form here. When you right click or when you click on this form, it will give a property of this web form. So background color I am giving as a different. As your opinion, I am giving a pink I will. Okay. Then welcome to student information system. I will select a toolbox. You can select from view also. View toolbox. Okay. Then select a label. Here text should be now creating as it is. Welcome to student information system. Welcome to student information system. So you can make it make this. You can change the font also. Here font. I am changing this one. Bold oblique with the color I am giving font color red or okay, dark. I'm saying font different one. I will choose regular. 69. Just make it center. Then these three buttons you have to create. First one, add course detail. Select from the toolbox. Then place it in the center. First one. Then second button. Then third button. I just name this first button as add course. Add course details. Then this one, add student details. Okay, then this one I'm giving as list of student. View details of student belong to particular course and particular here. View list of student for particular year and course. Okay, I just give. You can make it as per your choice. Just dragging the small size. Okay. Then next comes for the just double click on this. The automatic code will open. Double click on this. Next again double click on the third button. Okay. This automatically code will open. Then I am just initializing the font to. This is for the next step. Okay. Don't bother now. This is for the next step. Next forms. I'm just declaring here object. I am creating object of three forms in form 1. Okay, just save all. Next. Okay, next they have given. Next I will go for the entering a new course detail. This is form second. Okay, just right click on Windows form or whatever the name you have given for the project. Add Windows forms. Okay, I just click on add. Just giving, you can give a color as per your choice. Just I'm giving this one. Then only one area, text area with the one label and two buttons. Enter course name and submit and back. First I am giving a label as here, course details, right? No, okay, no course details. Just new course, new course detail. Okay, this is just I am making it as a bold or regular 16, okay, 16 in a same font. Just I am changing the color. You can change as color choice. Okay, new course detail. Then I will add only one label. Enter. Here text. Enter new course. Right? Enter course name. Enter course name. Then I will give a text box for this text box for this. Okay. Enter new course. Enter course name. Okay. Then submit button and back button I am giving here. One is for submit button and another is for this is a submit. Just name it as submit. This one name it as back. Click on submit button. Click on back. Then click on form. Okay. This automatically code has created. Then I will just copy my code here. First we need to give a namespace of SQL. Here it will not come, so we need to give this one. What you give server just open. Okay, and you need to connect the database in Visual Studio also. So connect. Click on this. Check for the server. It will take some time. So click on this. Then student I have created a database. So test connection. It is succeeded. Click on OK. You have connected the database. Right click on this. Okay. Properties. Here. Connection string. Double click on this. Copy the string, whatever the string it has, and paste it here. Then close it. Here it is showing error double. Just here one. Okay. Then for submit button I am adding button 1 is submit for us. So just I am opening a connection for this SQL connection, new connection for this database. It is open. Then after this I am giving the query insert into table course, which I have given the table name. Okay, table course I have given course name, that is a column name. So course name, it should go, the result should, okay, I have given the con. Con means we have this SQL connection, right? So I am giving this to CMD SQL. So after that, the result of the insert data, the result of the insert query, it will come to the CMD SQL. So after that I am giving CMD SQL parameter add with value. So I am adding the whatever the inserted value to the course name table. This is a column. In this column we are adding the uh, value. This one, how you got this text box one means, here in a design, okay, just click on the enter course, okay, just drag it this one. Here name they have given text box for this, uh, enter course name, text box we have added. So they have given text box one. So just copy this one, go to the code, then we can paste here. Already it is there. So okay, dot text. So it is fetching the data from the that column. So after fetching the data, the query is executed. If it is not executed, then close. Then if it is executed, then show the inserted successfully. The message will be thrown. Then button 2 we have back. So we add a just 2 lines for just going back button. Just save this one. This is over. New course is over. Then we'll create the third for, that is student information detail. Just drag it with the, okay. Next, this is over. Then we have to add a student detail. This form is for student detail. They have given in USA number, name, address, year of admission, course name, course ID. So I will change this color. This already it is there, so just I'm giving a yellow color. Okay. Then go to the toolbox. First label. Just giving here a name label. Name text. Okay, here. So student detail form. Just give a name. I am giving 16 with the bold. Okay. Just I will change color as blue. Make it center. Okay. First is USN we have to add. So I am adding USN here. Then how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 labels we should have. Just make it. this one is for USN, so I'm just named it as USN. This is for student name. This is student name, but yes, name or name. Address. Next is they have given address. Next is year of admission. Next is course. Just take USN for a text box. Then again name for text box. Same address as a text box. Year of admission as a text box. Then course ID should be combo box. Submit and back button. Buttons I will add here. One button. This one. Next button. First submit button. Then change it back. Then double click on this. Come back. Double click on this. Come back. Double click on the form. Okay. Then this form is over. So I will add a code. I will give a namespace for SQL. Then this SQL connection I will just copy from this. Just add here. Okay. Then for save submit button. Okay. Submit button I will add button 1 is for submit button, so I will add here. Then execute query after this. Then first it will open. This command is for insert query. I have given the name should be same as the column. So I'm giving USN here, table student name here, then address here, course ID last. year of admission here. So USN, just copy add. It should be same. Okay. Course ID. Here, course ID. Then year of admission and last. They have given before. Okay. Then again here I am inserting one by one USN. This is I will explain later. Just copy this one or course ID they are not. Okay, just copy year of admission here. Course ID. First insert we have inserted the value. Then after inserting we are inserting with the values with USN text box 1, that is this text box. This is text box 1. So next is text box 2 is student name. This text box 2 is student name 2. Text box 2. Same thing. So same text box 3, text box 4. One second, text box mine. Okay. Yes. Text box 4. This is a text box 3. Okay. You have to verify the names of the text boxes or the combo boxes. Here we have only one combo box, that is course ID. Select course ID from table course where course name equal to combo box 1 dot text. That combo box 1 where this one combo box 1. So we are selecting from that. Then read the query. While condition is there, if while course ID equal to rs of 1, rs of 0, that is whatever the column they have added first, if it is same, then execute that. Again insert in that column only, otherwise no. Then for button 2 we have button 2 for back, so I just add back equal for load now, for loading the this one same. From here I will just copy, I will copy the SQL connection, same. It is same for all the form 3 is over. Next we have, I will just check whether it is recording or not. Then last form we should display a grid view of particular course and particular year. Okay, just I will write it on add new Windows form. Just I will change a color. You can do whatever you want. Property you can change. Just a minute. This one. Okay. So here only two, course ID and select here. First I will go to the select ID. Just I will rename it as select ID. Select course ID. Select course ID. I will just give a combo box it is. Okay. Combo box. Okay. This combo box. Here I will give. Then give one button for view. Just change. You can change this color also. View. They are showing US and student name. So I just go to the grid view. Okay. In data, in a toolbox data, we have grid view. Select it. Then drag and drop here. It will automatically come. Just select a project. It should not give all. Okay. And just set. And then given US and student. Okay. Then again here we have to give for a particular year. Just the label. Change the text as select year. Okay. Then add a combo box to select year. Then one button for view. Okay. View. Change it as view. Then Again, review. This is for particular year. Residence, student name, address, year of admission. Okay. So select a project. Next. Click on next. Click on next. Then select whatever we have done. USN student name, address, year of admission. USN student name, address, year of admission. Okay. Click on finish. Double click on this view, first view. Double click on this first view, second view. Then double click on load. Just comment this one. Now we have to add a code. Okay, just I'm adding a space for SQL. Then here SQL connection and just copy from this. Okay, copy from the other form. Next, for a loading, just for loading, just we are loading the SQL. Then button click one, we have submit button. So I will add this code here for the button one, view one. Okay. SQL command select from table combo box text one, text, that is the combo box one. This is this one, combo box. Okay, one. So just it is more. Then for double button 2, it is a second view button for a particular. Just copy. I will just share a code with your year of admission. So here we have year of admission, this one. Just the column should be same. Just name as per the syllabus only, so you not get any confusion over on the name. Okay, then it's over. I just save all, build the project, then just run. Yes. Form 1 is open now. I will click on add course detail. I will add MCA. Okay, first course name MCA, submit. Like this one, add her and then check the form here. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. I just added enter course ID here. In a form to just add enter course ID one text area. Okay. Then this is a design. Then in form in a code form to just add insert table course ID then course name. Then course ID course name. Just add the value to that. Then add with the value course name text box 1. This is course name text box 2. Okay. Execute the query. Just I will execute it. First I will check the design of my table. Here one I have added already one MCA. Okay. Then for just for your information, table I've added one STMCA, 13 MCA, 01 ABC, ABC, 1 course. Okay. This is table I have added. Just click on start debugging. Add course. I will add BE. Okay. Course ID as 2. Submit. Inserted successfully. Just go to the query. Then you have to execute. I think just refresh. Okay. First, already I added one for MCA and two for BE. So I will add again for 3 for uh, MBA for 3. Okay. Just submit. Started successfully. I will just click on back. It will go to the main form. Then I will just click on add student detail. Visa number 13 MCA. Okay. MCA 13 ST 1 STMCA 1ST13 MCA02 I. Okay, this is BB. Just year of admission. Here I will make 39. Okay, just I will. Okay, here the course ID. It will fetch from the course name and the course ID. Just I will give to the MC. Submit. Inserted successfully. Just again I will go back. Again I will add. I will add one. Yes, one C. Year of admission is 2012. I will just add this one for B. Okay. Then again 222. Okay. This is for MBA. Just add submit. Okay. Click on OK. Back button. Then close this first. I will just look at my table whether it has inserted or not. Just close it. Again open. Show detail. Yes. It has added 1, 2, 3 MB, MCA, B and A. Then I will just check for the student details. Whatever it has added is it has added for MCA 2. I have added US number 1 for this one B I think. Yes. This is for MBA. Okay. Then I will just execute again and a list of view list. Just click on this view student list. Yes, here it is thrown error because in this one year of admission, right? So that's it. Yes. So the column name should be same as just stop the debugging. Execute once again. It will execute. Okay, view list of student. Course ID I will select MCA or whatever 1, 2, 3. I added 1 for MCA, 2 for B, 3 for MBA. So just I will add 1 S. This comes for MCA. Just I will check for BE. Yes, this is for B I have added. Just check for MBA. Okay, yes, this is for MBA. Then select year. I have added 2013 for MCA student. So 2 should come. 2013. Yes, it has come 2. Year of admission same. Then year of 2010. Just check. It's 1. Only 1 I have added 1. Yes. This is the first program I have executed. First program is consider the database student. So I have created a database. In that I have created a 2 tables, table course and table course student. So in that I have added a columns for table course, course ID and course name. Course ID I have made it as a primary key. Then for table student I have added US in column name. For column names US and student name, address, string, address, course ID, year of admission. So then they have given for a Windows Phone we need to uh, get a Windows Phone for 3 windows for entering new student course, new course details. Then next for me new student details. Then we can add a separate web form for particular course and again separate form for the particular area. But I have added, uh, I have combined this particular course and particular year, this form in one form. So I made three forms for entering new course detail, one for entering new student detail, next column, next form. Then this is for this particular course and particular year for third form. So this is a table in a visual server SQL server management. Okay, this is a table. I have created two tables. Then this is for one. We have to initialize the forms first. Then here the output of object with a button. I just added only three buttons with a I given a name. I just linked that here. One second. I just linked these buttons to separate forms. For first one, add course detail. Just this is for form 2 I have created. Add student detail. This is form 3 I have created. View details of student belong to particular course and particular year. This is for form 4 I have created. So this is form 2 code. First I have created initialize the connection. Okay, SQL question as per the your your connection data, whatever you are using. Okay, then I just this is the button click for back button. So just this is a small code I have added. This is for submit button. Just I am inserting a query. First insert into a table course name and a course ID also I have added. It was throwing error, so just I have added course ID also, because in table course ID and course name is the column course name and course ID is there, so we need to add both course name and course ID. So I have added here. I am adding this value to first course name, then again we need to add this course name course ID in another box. So just here, right? For a course ID. Here I am executed the query. If it is not executed, then go. If it is executed, then just give a message. Inserted successfully. This is the output. If you add the course name MCA and course ID 1, it will go to the database. It will connect to the database and it will insert to the data value. Values will insert. Then next comes a form 3, that is student information detail. So again the same connection I have created first, then the back button I have created, then for the submit button just I have added the insert query. For this all the column I have added them the values. It should fetch from the user, so I just added the add symbol. It should fetch from the user. So again it is after fetching the values from the user, it should add with the database. So here I have given text box 1 because in a form I have given I have added a text area, that is first text area it has named as a text box 1. Next second text area it has named as a text box 2. You can change as per your opinion, but the text box one the text box name should be same as uh, in the property. It should be same in code also, otherwise it will throw error. So it is fetching this value is fetching to text box 1, same for the all. Then here I am selecting a course ID because particular course ID should it should combine to course name. For one I have added for the MCA, so it should go for course ID 1 should go for the MCA. Then if it is inserted, then throw an message inserted successfully, otherwise close the connection. And after here, then after inserting the data, sorry for inconvenience, just after inserting the successful message, just close the connection, and then form loop. Again, the connection has been created, the open, it is the same for all the. This is combo box because the drop down box should be open for uh, course name MCA, BE, MBA I have added, so it should be combo box. This is the form. Then next comes the display form. Same connection. Then for the load, combo boxes should be there. So this is for selecting okay, year of admission. Here year of admission. Then selecting the as per the course detail, course name. So here year of admission, here year of, here course ID as per the course ID. So it will give a grid view. This is a grid view display. You should select a grid view from the data from the toolbox in the data and grid view box, and you should select whatever the column you want to display. Okay, this is over. First program is over. Thank you. I just share my code with you all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.